Welcome to the Viewpoint 6 Image Gallery video guide. The goal of this video guide is to show you how to use the features of the image gallery, including how to review images, add annotations and comments, measure and adjust images, work with 4D view, create secondary captures, compare images between exams, and finally, delete and reorder images. To review the images of the currently selected exam, click the Images tab. If the screen is in split screen mode, remember that you can select the Maximize button to maximize the Images tab. Use the scroll bars or mouse wheel to scroll through the images. Double-clicking an image opens an enlarged version in a pop-up window. Click the Close button to close the pop-up window. The Gallery tab displays an easy-to-navigate overview of all your ultrasound images for the selected exam, including which images are cineclips and volumes, as well as which images have been selected for the report. Clicking on an image in the Image Gallery tab will display it in the Images tab or in the Image pop-up dialog if it is open. You can also use the Gallery tab to rearrange the order of images by dragging and dropping them. To return to a split work mode where the exam form and images tab are visible simultaneously, click the Split button. To include an image for the report, click either the Small or Large Print button. The Small Print button inserts a small copy of the image, the Large Print button a large copy. Play or pause a single cineclip by clicking the Play/Pause button inside the image toolbar. Play or pause all of the exam cineclips simultaneously by clicking the Play/Pause All button. This could, for example, be useful to help enhance the performance of the computer if you are viewing an exam with several lengthy cineclips. To add annotations to an image, click the Annotations button inside the image toolbar, or click the Annotations tab. You can use predefined annotations, type free text annotations, place arrows, and draw a black box over any part of the image to hide any unwanted data. To insert an annotation, click the button of the type of annotation that you want to use, and then place the final position of the annotation by clicking with the mouse. For free text annotations, you must first type the annotation text, and then click once more with the mouse to end the text input. To clear all annotations, click the Clear Annotations button. To end the annotation mode, click the End Annotation Mode button in the Annotations tab. You can also add comments associated with an image. Any comments added to these fields can be searched for in the VP Explorer. Printed comments appear beneath an image in the report, whereas internal comments are seen only within Viewpoint. To measure or adjust an image, click the Image Tools button inside the Image toolbar, or click the Image Tools tab. You can use distance, area, ellipse, angle, and Sono-NT measurement tools. Click a measurement button and click with your mouse to set the points of the measurement. The measurement results will display in the bottom right corner of the image. To clear all measurements, click the Clear Measurements button. To end the measurement mode, click the End Measurement Mode button in the Image Tools tab. Also inside the Image Tools tab is the ability to adjust the brightness and contrast levels of an image. Move the slider to adjust the image. Click the Reset button to return to the original values of the image. Another feature that is available in the Image Gallery is the ability to post-process volumes with the integrated 4D View application. This ability requires a 4D view license in Viewpoint 6. Volumes transferred from the ultrasound modality will display a volume button in the lower right corner of the image. Note that any cineclip can also be converted to a volume and be displayed in 4D view, for example, to be manipulated in sectional planes. This is also why each cineclip displays a volume button in the lower right corner of the image. Click this volume button or the Switch to 4D View button to open the volume in 4D View. You can move from volume to volume by selecting other volumes in the gallery while 4D View is still open. 4D View allows you to optimize, manipulate, and analyze volume ultrasound data. Choose from different rendering modes, view and analyze sectional planes, use the tomographic ultrasound imaging feature, or different volume analysis tools. To save a secondary capture of a post-process volume back to the Images tab, click the 4D View Save button and choose 2D image. To save a post-processed volume as another volume set back to Viewpoint, click the same 4D View Save button, but this time 3D 4D volume. Click the Close button to close the 4D View plugin and return to the Images tab. At any time, you can click the Create Snapshot button to create a secondary capture of the selected image. This is useful when you have, for example, paused a cineclip at a specific frame. The secondary capture will always be placed after the source image. You can also save a secondary capture of a post-process volume from 4D View or after you have made additional annotations or measurements. To compare images from two different exams within the same patient, click the Compare button. The Images tab will be split into two windows showing the currently selected exam on the left side and the compared exam on the right. To select the specific exam to compare against, click the Exam Selection drop-down list. Note that the already described functionality in the Viewpoint image gallery is also available in Compare mode. To export images from the Images tab, select an image or hold down the Control or Shift key to select multiple images, right-click, and select Export Selected Images. The Export Images dialog will then appear. First, select the location where the images should be exported to using the File Explorer on the left side of the dialog. Next, provide a file name using the File Name text field. Note that when exporting multiple images, each file name will be appended with a number to separate the files. Then, select the type of image export using the File Type drop-down list. Presentation will use JPEG format for single-frame images and volumes, and MP4 format for cineclips. Selecting Anonymized Presentation will use the same formats as the presentation mode, but will first provide you the ability to draw a black box over the patient data of the exported images. The black box will appear in the same location for every image selected for the export, including each frame of any exported cineclips. Selecting Clinical exports the image in the original DICOM format. When you have selected the file type, click the Export button to start the export process. A progress dialog will display when the export is finished, as well as provide you the ability to go directly to the location of the exported images by clicking the Show button. To delete images from the Images tab, select an image, or hold down the Control or Shift key to select multiple images, right-click, and then select Delete, or click the Delete key on your keyboard. Viewpoint will always prompt you whether you are sure you want to delete the images, as well as note how many images have been marked for deletion. Accidentally deleted images can be resent from the ultrasound device, and Viewpoint will automatically display the image in the same location where it was accidentally deleted. To reorder images, in the Gallery tab, select an image, or hold down the Control or Shift key to select multiple images, and now drag and drop the image in the Gallery tab to the new location. Note that you can only reorder images via drag and drop from the Gallery tab. This concludes the Viewpoint 6 Image Gallery Guide. If you need any additional help at any time while using Viewpoint 6, press the F1 key on your keyboard or click the Start Help button. Thank you for watching.